Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. There's only one nightcap tonight. I haven't spent much time in the workshop over the last week. I haven't been feeling very well, sort of winter virusy flu sort of thing, I would imagine. But I certainly seem to be on the mend now. But the video I have got for you, I'm sure you'll find it's very interesting. With us not spending as much time in the workshop, I've been doing quite a lot of editing, and I've been editing some of the outtakes out. I think I'm going to put them up next Sunday as like a Christmas special. There's a lot of outtakes that you haven't seen. There's a lot of them I've actually forgot what they were like. There's some incredible ones. There'll be a bit of bad language in it, like, but I'm sure you'll manage to tolerate it. I've got a little bit of a rush job to do for a lad. He's got a cherry picker report, and he unfortunately had to cut one of these nuts off to get the shaft out, so I've got to make one of those nuts. Obviously I can't put the nail lock bit in, but he's got Loctite that'll do for that. It certainly looks like metric. Looks like 1.5, which is a really common metric pitch. It is 1.5, which I can cut, no problem at all. Need to measure the outside diameter. Right, so we'll measure that now, and it is 25mm. So it's M25 by 1.5. The core size of that thread should be 23.5, I think. Look at my chart. M25 by 1.5 is 23.5. So it's a standard thread. I'll find a bit of suitable material, decent stuff, and we'll make them a nut. Right, I found a suitable piece of bar, decent quality it is as well. It's already the correct OD. All we'll do is face the end, part of it off, and then we can screw cut it, going right through. There's no need to go into a blind hole, make it as easy as we can. Parting tool is nice and square to the job. It's already on centre height because I do use it all the time. Make it the thickness of the nut plus a little bit, and then we can skim the nut out of face to make sure everything's all nice and square. That looks good. Chop a bit off and then go from there. Nice steady pressure. If I ease off, this will start to chatter. Plenty of lube in there. A little bit piss wobbly, we'll just square it up. And I just use the back of that tool to push it square. A little bit slower gear for this bigger drill. Nice to see the swarf coming off even on both flutes. A bit measure. 23.5 we want. Getting near. Then I've got a 1.5 pitched screw cutting tool in there on centre height. The gearbox is set up to cut 1.5. There's a little bit of cut on, so it should just put a witness mark on. Just going straight in, or rather straight out of this tool. Is designed to work that way. Give it a little bit of a try, not too far away now. Shit. One more cut on the same setting should clean that up quite nicely. Want it to be tight but not ridiculously tight. Right, time to stop. We'll settle for that. Pretty good. Little rag on there. We'll have that removed. push that so it's square. Use the corner of the tool, will be good enough to do it, like that. I need to put the slots in for the C-spanner. They haven't going to be that critical because I know for a fact they're going to tighten it in with a punch anyway. So if we set that up level on the edge of that vice jaw, tighten the vice up. Right, so level with the end of that jaw. The cutter's in the centre. I'm going to lock off. Now set a 0, half a mil should be alright. Turn it over, 180. I'm going to just use the 2 flats on there for it to register on. See, it's not critical because it's just going to be, I know exactly what's going to happen with this. It will be getting a C-spanner on it. Right, level the edge of there. Well, that is set at full depth to go in there. I don't think the milling cutter would survive going in there. We can try it. No, it won't. Right, and for this one, I'm going to sort of guesstimate it. Line it up with the edge of the face again. I could, there's several ways of doing this before it needs to be. If he wants it in a hurry, stand waiting for it. That was pretty good. A little bit dress up with a file and that'll be good to go. That'll do the job for them. Nice tight fit on the threads. 1 or 2 marks on there where I've had this Silson's on just to wind it up and down, but for a quick and rough and ready repair, he's up and running again. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, please do, because the 100,000 is very, very near now. Don't forget, if you want a double boost hat for Christmas, there is a link in the description box and I have got plenty left. Anyway, thanks for watching.